Welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Today we're going to practice some more reading comprehension using some special sight words, that is this, my, on. This, my, on. We cannot try joining the sounds of these words and try to figure out. So we try memorizing it and practicing it. This reading comprehension will help you practice these sight words along with the family at and an. At family and family. These two families. Along with reading, we will make sure my little friends feel confident and they know that they are doing an amazing job and we all are proud of them. Let's get started. Let's start with this comprehension. This. We will not try to make the sounds of each letter and then join them. This is a sight word. So we're going to practice memorizing this sight word. T-H-I-S. This is my. That's another sight word. My. Cat. This is my cat. The cat has a hat. Let's try it one more time. This is my cat. The cat has a hat. The next comprehension is this is my rat. This is my rat. The fat rat sat on the mat. This is my rat. The fat rat sat on the mat. Let's try the next one. Fat rat is on the mat. I am so proud of you all working super hard. We're gonna keep practicing so that very soon we are able to read fluently. Let's try it one more time. Fat rat is on the mat. The cat and rat H-A is had a hat. Fat rat is on the mat. The cat and rat had a hat. Let's try the last one for the day. That is a cat. That is a cat. This Zat had a fan. This Zat had a fan. We will keep repeating all of these passages so that we are able to read fluently. I will repeat one more time. In this comprehension, we practiced the sight word this, my, on, along with the sight words we did in the previous video, that is the, is, and a. The families we have covered so far is at and an family. I hope you are able to read much better now, and I am so proud of all of your efforts. I will see you soon. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.